Dare is a special modal verb that means having courage to do something bold or risky. It expresses bravery to face challenges. When we use dare, we talk about being bold enough to try something difficult or dangerous. Dare means to have courage to do something bold or risky. It shows you are brave enough to face a challenge. Dare expresses boldness and willingness to take risks when others might be afraid. Here are simple examples of dare in present tense. I dare you to try the spicy food means, do you have courage to eat something very hot? Don't you dare touch that warns someone not to touch something because it would be wrong or dangerous. In past tense, dare becomes dared. I dared to speak up during the meeting means I had courage to say something important. She dared not enter the dark room alone shows she lacked courage to go inside. Did you dare to try the challenge yesterday asks if someone was brave enough. For future, we use will dare. I will dare to face my fears tomorrow means I plan to be brave. Dare I ask for a raise uses inversion for formal questions showing hesitation. How dare you speak to me like that expresses shock at someone's boldness. Dare has similar words like venture, risk, challenge, and presume. Other close alternatives include brave, defy, confront, and face. These words all express courage or boldness, but with slightly different meanings. She dare not open her mouth means she lacks courage to speak. Dare he tell them what he knows asks if he is brave enough. How dare you speak to me like that shows anger at rude boldness. Don't you dare touch that strongly warns against touching. As modal dare, no to infinitive is needed, and we use daren't for negative. Questions use inversion like dare I ask. As main verb, dare to plus infinitive and uses do, does, did for questions and negatives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.